basically protecting the community at a whole.
Dr. Quinn says getting your child vaccinated isn't just a lifesaver for them, but others as well.
The vaccines are so important because some children might have compromised immune systems due to other illnesses, and by children not getting vaccinated, this can cause an epidemic in the community, and those children that are not as strong and can't fight it off, now they're even at a higher risk of being exposed.
And with some students headed back to school soon, Dr. Quinn says parents need to make sure that they get those vaccines required by schools now.
The schools are requiring that the children get the normal vaccines that are scheduled. For instance, when they're in kindergarten, they have to get that MMR, that varicella. They have to get the Tdap before starting in 7th grade. And there are other vaccines as well, but the most important take-home is these vaccines can prevent illnesses that are very preventable.
Dr. Quinn says even if your child is going to school virtually, it's a great idea to still get him or her vaccinated, especially during the pandemic. And with COVID-19 hospitalizations still in the 900s, children could potentially not receive the treatment they need. He also encourages children and adults to get a flu shot this season.
If children and adults don't get that flu shot, there's a higher potential that the flu will be a big problem. And with the COVID-19 infection going on at the same time, if someone were to get the flu and COVID-19 infection, it's going to be very difficult for that person to recover as opposed to someone who got a flu shot and don't have to deal with both infections at the same time.
And don't forget, the state health department is hosting a one-stop curbside pickup school entry form event until Friday, August 7th. In Jackson, Kayla Thompson,